Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to make an interlocking word using Canva application. So this design usually used to your logo or maybe your adding element onto your poster to make it much more interesting. So the way how to make it, just click text and then add a text. For example, I just adding this letter S and then change the font all the way you want. But for example, I'm using this, I think I'm going to use this S font, this one. And now you need to increase the size of this text or of this word like this. Increase it and change the color. For me, I would like to change it onto a maroon color like this. Okay, after you finish, now you can download this design. Downloading it, set as a PNG. Don't forget to check this transparent background and increase the size of the pixel. Downloading it. And after that, you can change the font of this word onto, for example, I would like to change it onto C like this, and then go back. And I will change the color of it onto a gold color or yellow color. This one. Then change it onto this color. And now I just need to decrease the size of the letter. And then open the gallery and insert the design that you already saved before. This one. After that, let me adjust the size of the frame first. Like this. And like this. Increase the size, and as same as the S letter, you need to increase the size of this C letter, and then duplicate the S letter like this, and you just need to cut it like this to make sure it's look like it's on top of the letter, just like that. Okay, after you finish, now we can just positioning it one more time to make sure it's on a right position like this, cutting it here and cut it there like that. Okay, after finish, this is the result that you will get, and that's the way how to make an interlocking design and then adding it to your poster or maybe make it as your logo. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.